Yo, DJ, me know I watch Cokehead Mad SUSS in the dog.
A few moments later.
Cokehead. Cokehead. You my cokehead.
Go suck your mother. So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man.
No one thinks that. People, boy, I tell you, when I see MASICKA thing run out, you know. I'm say, yo, bro, Jono, bro. Bro, I better did do this from the get-go, you know. You see, cause you fall down and do this right now, it don't make no sense. You see me? Because you are give them money. It's like, bro, Jono, see a thing this week out this, okay? If you attack Mad SUSS and then you attack MC, now you attack Mad SUSS, it don't make no sense, brother. Your money just not make no sense, bro, cause you want to do this now and your friend have to draw you if you do this. It shows them, brother, you're not bad, brother. But people, you must say.
Yo, DJ, me know I watch Cokehead Mad SUSS in the dog.
That's the thing, you know. Remember saying, you know, people make him do this, you know. You from the get-go for your run up and nothing, you should have addressed this long time. A long time you should have addressed this, brother. You coming out now, even make no sense. I think say they run up on some artist or something, but coming like say, a non-artist, you see me? Even Mad SUSS, you know, a Mad Sissy that, you understand? So, if you come out and you're bridging them, bro, it's come like it's a weak fence you pick pan, bro. I tell you, weak fence. If you address some non-artists, address the two of them, you address nothing, you should have address Mad SUSS this or two. But I guess you did free it and then your friend them must say, yo, people them must say, yo, you have to go say something, you know, brother. So, I know you run out to your friend have to start it, and this are the thing, people. If a joke thing or a stunt thing I pull off, brother, it don't even make no sense, bro. I tell you. Cause you're artist, bro, and them say you're a big artist. You want to do this, that's how make your thing look really, you see me? Yeah, man.
I'm more than she don't feel my own.
Brother, this are the problem. Every day you get up about hits, bro. Them they are not hits, them they are hot song. A hot song, them they, brother, them they. Like, a song them play for about 1-2 months, that's it, brother. If I saw you, it don't make no sense, you create be a hot song. You're gonna just run out of energy, that's all. You see it, and then you're hot a yard, but you're not hot abroad. So when you go abroad to perform the song, them, nobody don't know them, the crowd turn up stiff by you and all of them look at something. It don't make no sense, bro. Not talk about hits, them they're not hits, brother. Why every time when you drop a music, them talk about it 2 months, then you drop a new one, them say a hits. It don't make no sense, bro. And when you go out there, it'll come like say, nobody know that song, yeah? Whether you go BRT, same thing. It don't make no sense, bro. You understand?
It's one of that. You know, Mad SUSS, boy.
You say Mad SUSS a crackhead. Why you never say Mad SUSS a crackhead when you run out with nothing? Bro, it should say, yo, brother, you're not a crocodile, brother. You're some lizard or some mosquito thing, cause all mosquito do are just go your ears until you clap them out them life. You understand? Or you zap them. You know, move like a crocodile, dog. And for you attack nothing and you not attack the artist, them or you're so clean, you not attack Alkaline, you not attack Sking. None of them artists there. You see it, but you attack MC and one little follow back a man, Mad SUSS. Nah, make no sense, bro. You need to brave up, brother. Nothing I did there. How long you go yet? How long you go yet? Bro, do something. Brave up, man. Brave up, dog. You drop even a song with your name Scope, and when you check it, are you in a Scope? You kill yourself, brother. You see me? You kill yourself right there, so. You know, make no sense. Yo, and him name Shane Skull. That's all man them doing on the internet every day. A chit chat. Nah, make no sense, bro. That's all man them do some internet badness thing. When they on Instagram live, when they not talk, when they not do nothing, it don't make no sense, dog. If you not put out music. Then come on Instagram and chat. You see it? Be a blank on fire. Cause MASICKA not drop no song where you can't say where. I just be a hot song. You don't do nothing, bro. Nothing you don't do, brother. Right now, Crooks thing weak out, bro. Cause it show it testing already. Right now, the people must say, oh, brother, you war with them, money. And Alkaline, they are Sking, they not war with them, bro. You're not a bad artist, brother. You say you're the baddest thing, but you're more weakest thing, bro. And your friend them if they run if you do all of them look or something, brother. So when you dip on the camera with you when you come out and show respect to Cartel, why you never go on so when you go on another video? Your friend them if they run, it shows you say you're not bad, brother. And if you the body that I go on the same energy where you dip on the live with, What are your friend them if they run if you look bad, brother? It's show you, brother, you're not bad, brother. You're not the baddest thing then. If a man have a boat you up.
Crocodile, wireless one. Wireless one. You understand?
And watch him man they run at the back, him run at the back and look up. Like, it make no sense, bro. Nothing look, Jaja. We're not ready yet, brother. We're not ready yet. We're not ready for your lyric. I'm just a chit chat, bro. Thing weak out.
Oh, that blood listen to hits them. Hits.
You mean listen to hot song them? What kind of hits? Bro, you don't really have no hits like that, bro. You look at hot song, brother, because when you go out there in the world, the people them not sing it. People them stand up by your nothing of the day. Where you want only hot song hits are just a Jamaica alone. The only song I can say I hit right now are whites. You understand? It alone. You look at hot song now when you drop. That's why today when all of that, everybody knows I just look at hot song, brother. You drop bass song, everybody say hits. A first artist, me say a drop song, so they must say hits. And it now connect. A be a hot song you drop. You need some more song out there, bro. You sign to a label. And you just have to produce be a hot song. Man, them can't push it internationally, nothing. And rather than for you forward out and say, yo, go shake up dancehall, really. Yeah, go off a mad SUSS and MC. Bro, them man, they're not nobody, brother, for even back and forth with, and you are back and forth with them because they get boots up by your bridging them. Nah, make no sense, brother. You see me? So the thing said, people, not really that, you see me? Yeah, man. Them man, yeah, brother, I don't know what MASICKA really do film career, because him go years in everything and then everything just not there. You see it? Just not there at all. I feel like MASICKA, I don't know, the man gone so much years in that game and it's like, you say, yo, the brother you can't just reach that level there. Can't reach that level there. No, bro. He my only artist, so they must say, yo, next could have be king, but it's like, bro, you not do nothing, you not clash nobody, you not do nothing, brother. You play safe, you want everybody good, you link up with everybody. You do album with the whole of dancehall, they must say you are the greatest album. You not do nothing for sure, you prove yourself. You see me? You do be a collab. And that is why you not have that song there, bro. You not have that song there to break you through. Because you focus on collabs more than your solo song them. You see me? Lucky things say label did if you push whites the real way out there and promote it. Because if you never have that, brother, I don't know where you would have, bro. You see me? Because you drop mute and all of them something there. Brother, it don't make no sense. Me as an artist, where I produce song and I do song, and when you check it, when I go out there in the world, nobody know me song, the crowd stand up dead and nah, make no sense, brother.
Yeah, but
you
see me? 500 oil.
Watch all that the fool. Them not no sense in when name she ain't scholar or whatsoever. One bag of mouth chat them have, you know. Some follow back at them, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, some follow back. You see it? So, bro, you know, reach, you man, you're power with, brother. Nah level your thing, bro. You see it? But, people, see, mad SUSS run out, you know. But, brother, yeah, I don't know. But we have to really pre-wag one people, because I want mad at this. I don't know, I want crack at this. You see it? Yo, Chano. I tell you, cartel power run with them, man. Like, bro, Chano. Them man have some little pitney, you know. I really some little pitney. That's why I say, yo, we kind of load off a MASICKA for even back and forth with them money and nothing, bro. The bag of chatting and all of them look some. Because them money have some geek on the internet, you know. And some geek this, you know, bro. Remember, say back then before cartel go prison, nobody never know them youth, yeah. Them youth don't even nobody, bro. I seen some man forward out now and it's like, bro, it even make no sense, dog. You see me?
Cocaine. You are cocaine.
Yo, me I tell you, no. You see that brother, yeah? Them have to go. War 21 him for go. You see me? War 21. You see, car tell live in my Jamaica in some house, him alone. Him now no woman in there and nobody, nothing I did it. And it's like, yo, Jano. Nah, make no sense. Be a mad people. I don't know how come some man say them a G and power run with them money, bro. I can't power with them money.
I want cocaine.
Yo, I just feel like say, yo. Them man just know say, yo, them money power with some madman, bro. Some madman, brother. The man on a gangster thing, you see it? I tell you. Yo. Yo, man, I tell you the people tell Carter if man go down a Bellevue, dog. Man, I tell you. Man go down a Bellevue, man. Brother, if you drink rum and axe at the rat it, but don't want to see when you take crack.
Me is a rummy. Never be a cokehead. I will never be a cokehead. But if I don't want to be a cokehead,
yo, let me tell you. You see, let me say, show your friend. You understand? Show your company. And it show you how your mindset set. Cause if you see them money I go on to, bro, I know him go on to run cartel, bro. I don't know how cartel have them money around him, brother. Me I tell you. Something right. You understand? Something right, brother. Me I tell you. If you a big man I go on to, no sir, bro. And them say them a gangster. Gangster have them money around them. No man, something right, man. You see it?
your kung fu no better than mine.
Yo, Jano, bro. Man, I tell you, bro. I don't know, yo, Jano, dog. Can't tell you, where you have the money around here, dog? You say you're a general, what? Jano, dog. See what the brother you're going on the media, brother, is like, bro, something really have wrong with you to feel flex with them money, brother, because I don't know how them money get for forward out of the blue way. Bro, 13, 14 years ago, nobody don't know them, brother. Them man are nobody. Well, them a follow back, but back then it's like, them just have some man will follow you. All of them look something here, bro. You see me, but through social media kind of powerful now. It's like, them a get highlight with your forwarding out of prison or certain things, is it? Yo, let me tell you, the man has sniff crack. I tell you, if him not sniff crack, something wrong. You see me, although I not trust them street vibes rum there, you know. Yeah, man, I just trust cause the last man me see drink street vibes rum, he end up in a one cave. You understand? The man is a cave, him end up in a man. You see me, man saying wake up in a cave. So, brother, I don't know, he come like the crack in a one of them street vibes, I don't know, I can't big man this, bro. This is some little boy, dog, and he look away if you say, God's a boss, world boss apart with them money, bro. Do you know, brother? You know, look good at all.
Them see me? You feel like them see me? Them see me, you know?
Yo, dog, Jano. Yo, man, I tell the people. You know, look good at all. I don't know, I couldn't part with them money, dog. Them money would make you think look a weird, dog, like a some giggy head thing, this. You see me? This come like some little pitney, little girl behavior thing, this, brother. I tell you. Yeah, man. I don't know how Cartel have this money around him. I don't know, because him couldn't feel so comfortable. He might do it from a long time. You see it? Long time might do it. A madman, this man.
Them don't see me. Hello.
Brother, I tell you. This come like one girl where we love camera and all of them look or something, because if a real name getting him mad, but him act like a sissy. Yeah, man, him mad, but him act like a sissy. So that's why maybe name Mad SUSS. I do better than say Mad Sissy, you'd have more connect, cause you not ready yet, brother. Imagine you have your dog, Zane, and your dog rich. You and him hold it out and thing in a prison and Ray, and your dog forward the road. Zane, man left bower, 4 house gear, go and run it off. Like, you'd have say, yo, make use of it and all of them something. Bro, them money ask so, brother. Not even one girl in the house, them nothing. Nothing the man have, bro. The man, brother, not. Brother, you come here, think say man have a chick nor a child or a tit. Yeah, man. Because I know him have a daughter, but, bro, if it's with this, if him daughter watch all this and say man a move, bro, I tell her. Him daughter must have cream. You see it? Daughter say, yo, why am I going so? But I saw you going on. That's why I tell you, guys, that thing set up, you know, you see it, because I don't want. The money where they in Gaza to act like this, bro. You even look good, brother.
Red Rising! Afternoon now. Now fuck up some food right now. Hello?
A madman, this man. Alright, you see, to me, people, this come like, you know, when you have a girl and, you know, woman out there, come like a woman out the way, they just need the attention there. And so when they get it, yeah, man, they mad out. crazy out because of this them a wait pan. Yeah man, I saw him a one man. Him get the attention and everything, but this are the thing people. Like lose off a massacre big time. Because right now, you know, you attack them man, you know, your value just your thing just drop down, bro. You understand? Because you say you're bad and you talk about lyrical badness. But it's like, bro, you depend on internet, I address them money where I'm an artist. Bro, right now you should work up on some song where you say you run out and bro, you attack them money. Me see you depend on interview a man ask you about alkaline. You make Beanie Man ask you on the internet in depend. But you come out, you forward out strong and give them money. You know them money assist you, them attention and them money want. And that them want, you know. You know when somebody's nobody and them get the attention from some people who are big in a society, brother. I want the worst thing that, you know. And this man them want, you know, bro. You understand? You should even meds them man there, bro. You see it? You shouldn't even all forward out. No, right now you make them money a thing. Get the exposure what them do you want.
Chef in that one. Never be a cokehead. But if you don't want to be a cokehead,
yeah man people, I just say things set. You see me? One of them things about people dancehall come like some joke thing nowadays, you know. See me man them now brave up, man them argue with some irrelevant man on the internet when I might not send some madman. You see me? But people you don't know, you know. Yeah man, I just forward off come talk, you see me, because I just get the time and thing. Yeah man, I'm blessed up for the support, you see. That is it.